उनकी माँ का नाम था दीपाबाई। अब देखिए ना, ये जो मतलब ये जो हमारा सॉन्ग शुरू होगा, इसमें आचार्य भिक्षु के पिताजी की एक और शादी हुई थी, वहां से शुरू हो रही है। वरना बीच बीच में बोलेंगे। और
मैंने नहीं सुना हुआ है
सुना नहीं?
गीत, फर्स्ट
गीत ही नहीं सुना है।
हाँ।
तो मैं शुरू करती हूँ।
हाँ।
आचार्य
अच्छा, आप
भिक्षु
बीच
का
में बोलते
जन्म
जाओ।
कंटालिया में हुआ था। उनका मतलब उनकी समाधि कंटालिया राजस्थान, और उनकी समाधि है वो सिरियारी। तो आचार्य भिक्षु के भक्त बहुत हैं, वो उनको सिरियारी वाले संत के नाम से जाते, क्यों नहीं दी जानते हो?
सिरियारी रो संत,
सिरियारी रो संत जानते हो। अब हम आपको कंटालिये के संत की ओर ले जाएंगे। तो कंटालियरा सांवरिया, माने वो सांवरिया कहलाते थे क्योंकि वो सांवले थे, सांवले थे,
श्याम वर्ण।
श्याम वर्ण था, तो उनको सांवरिया भी बोलते थे, उनको स्वामी जी भी बोलते थे, उनको सिरियारी वाले स्वामी जी बोलते थे, उनको कंटालिया वाले स्वामी जी। नीरव को पता है?
भिक्षु स्वामी पता है?
हाँ हाँ।
Can you sort of just do a
आप सभी मेरे
30
साथ
second background on Acharya Bhikshu?
Huh?
Who he was, his significance?
Bhikshu Swami was the first Acharya of the founder Acharya of Theravada. And previously, he his family background from Deravasi family. But when he decided, he got married and one daughter, and then suddenly thought, like, this life I'm leading, I should do
इसमें आएगा।
something. Huh?
इसमें आएगा सारा।
Aayega. Okay.
Creepy.
So I think in between when I
हाँ, बीच-बीच में
understand,
बोलेंगे
then
मैडम,
I'll huh?
देखना है।
क्योंकि हम लोग नहीं समझ में आ रहा, मारवाड़ी में है।
So
नहीं,
Bhikshu
बीच
Swami.
में बोलेंगे।
हाँ.
अच्छा,
So
अच्छा,
Bhikshu Swami, friend, Ramcharan ji bhi aaye.
नहीं,
So Bhikshu Swami's friend was a Hindu friend, and both decided we should be a monk. So where we can become. So they were thinking where to go, the proper place. Suppose you want to buy a mobile, you go various shops, various company, you surface what is good for me, what is useful for me, and what is cheaper for me.
You do a survey.
So similarly, Acharya Bhikshu was. So he finally reached to conclusion with the Acharya Raghunathji, Sthanakvasi Acharya, and his friend. After that, they couldn't get hooked, so he became a Hindu monk, and he also started Ramasnehi Sampradaya. And Bhikshu Swami, he was 7 years under Acharya Raghunathji. He studied 32 canons, and while studying canons, he came to this conclusion: we are not following the right path. There are some pitfalls. So he requested Guru one-to-one that we are not following the same thing, and there are something we are missing. Then he said, look, it is the 5th part of time cycle, so we are not able to follow. And in meantime, Bhikshu Swami was again requesting Guru, and suddenly what happened, there was a fight in Sravkas, that really monks are very lax and they are not following the proper path. So in the Rajnagar, so the Sravak said, now we are not venerating you, we are not paying our respect to you. So Bhikshu Swami's Guru thought, he is very sharp and logical, let me send him there. So he sent them there, and Bhikshu Swami, due to his logical power and personality and everything, he convinced everybody. And he said, look, still I'm studying more in depth the commentaries and this and that, and then finally we will discuss. So all the Sravkas started venerating monks and coming, and that,
It all calmed
so
down.
all calm down. And same night, what happened? Acharya Bhikshu got very high fever. So he said, by my intellectual power, I convinced them, but still I'm not on the right path. So he said, if my fever goes down, if in such a fever, if I get death, then definitely I spoil my monk's life. So he said, okay, if my fever goes down and I'm back to normal morning time, then I call all the Sravkas and I accept in front of him that I'm on the wrong path. And he did the same. And then his fever goes down and everything. And then whole Chaturmas is spent. And then he thought maybe within these 4 months, gurus have explored much more and maybe he agree with me. But Guru was not agree, and then he finally said, no, if you are not agree, then I'm not with you, I'm with Agam, I'm with the teachings of Mahavira. So he left, and the first night the Guru sent with some people with drums that Bikanji left the Sangha, so nobody give him place to stay. So nobody given place. So he was staying where? At the crematorium. First night he spent in the crematorium because there was so much big storm, so he couldn't walk further, and people denied to give him place to stay. So the first night he was staying in the crematorium whole night. So now she's saying story in poetic form by
तो